Everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to tell you how I went from black hair, very black, to very white. Before we start, don't forget to click subscribe so you can catch my next video. First of all, on the journey of doing my hair white, first thing that I use, it's a hair stripper. Strips the colour from your hair without damaging your hair. You can use this as many times as you like, but you need to follow the instructions like to the T. It's called Colour Before, and I bought mine from Superdrug, but you can get it from any chemist. They sell them on Amazon as well. After I've used this hair colour stripper, my hair went ginger. It's a stupid photo, I know it is. You can do that as many times as you like. Try to get it as light orange as possible from the hair stripper. Then after you've used that, the hair stripper, the Colour Before, you're gonna go in with some bleach. I use Agora because it's the best one and it's the kindest on your hair as well. I use Agora with the Agora Developer. You can get these on Amazon, salon services. Mix that up just into a nice medium to thick paste. You can leave that on for 30 minutes. After you've done that, you should be quite a light orange, and then you're going to leave it. I would let your hair rest for about a week before you go back and bleach again. Obviously you might have to wear a hat or something to go out the house. That's what I did. Or just put my hair in plaits. Then after about a week of resting my hair, bleach it again. When you're bleaching your hair, you're going to bleach your hair, I would say 2 to 3 times. You're aiming for quite a pale yellow colour. That's what you need. The more yellow, the better. So you need to get rid of that orange with the bleach. Try and get it to a pale yellow. Once you're finished with your bleaching and your hair is a nice pale yellow colour, like the inside of a banana skin, that's what you're aiming for. Then, and only then, use this. It's milkshake, not the drinking kind. It does sound delicious though. It smells fabulous. A little bit expensive, but honestly it's absolutely amazing for getting your hair white. Put this on the yellow hair, just shampoo it in, leave it for about 2 to 3 minutes. I normally just lie in the bath and just let it soak into my hair. Then once you rinse the milkshake off, your hair should be a lovely white colour. A little bit silvery. So in between bleaches in your hair, I would recommend that you use some Olaplex. I don't know if you've ever used this before. If you haven't used this before, it's a hair repair. It replaces all the damaged bonds in your hair, and it's absolutely brilliant for damaged hair. You can actually add it into the bleach, but it does dilute it down a little bit. I do add a little bit into the bleach, but I do prefer to just do the treatments other than added it. Also, what I like to do after I've bleached my hair is I'll rinse my hair, I'll shampoo off the bleach, towel dry my hair first, and then I'll put like loads and loads and loads of conditioner on, comb that through, and I'll leave it on all night, because what it does is it feeds your hair. So it's like a treatment, like a really deep treatment. And then when you wake up in the morning, obviously you rinse it off, you will feel a massive difference in your hair. Drop any comments below about any questions that you might have and I will answer them all. Also, I'm going to put a link in as well for any of the products that I've used, so you can just click the link to get them. Good luck on going white. Go for my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.